3 steps to boosting your immune system. Your immune system is your number one defense mechanism against intruders like bacteria or viruses that can make you very ill. It is imperative to make sure that we stay healthy and put all the chances on our side to boost our immune system. Here are 3 steps to help you do so starting today. Step 1. Eating well. Eating well means getting many fruits and vegetables in your system and stay hydrated, enough that you get many nutrients and antioxidants to help strengthen your immune system. You will specifically want to keep on top of your selenium, vitamin E, and vitamin C intake. Selenium is found in nuts like Brazil nuts or fish. As for vitamin E, you can get it in spinach, seeds, and peanuts. Vitamin C can be found in many vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, or sweet potatoes. As for water, drinking plenty of it will help your body flush the toxins like bacteria that could cause sickness. Step 2. Keeping it clean. Getting in the habit of washing your hands before every meal or before touching your face will help your immune system a lot. That way, your body won't have to interact with the bacteria or virus in the first place. You can also keep your home clean and change the air filters regularly to reduce allergens in your home that can harm your respiratory system. Step 3. Sleeping routine. To ensure that your immune system is functioning optimally, you need to make sure that you get adequate sleep. Since sleep is critical to our immune system, it is recommended to get between 7 and 8 hours of sleep per night. That number of hours is adequate and regenerate the body. Having plenty of sleep will increase the ability of the body's white cells to fight illnesses and reduce symptoms connected to the common cold and flu. To get a good rest, try to implement a bedtime routine that allows you to get your hours of sleep. Going to bed at the same time every day will become a routine and your body will naturally get tired at that time. Besides, try limiting your screen time many hours before bedtime since it tends to disrupt your sleep. Try implementing those 3 steps today to boost your immune system so that it is ready to fight illnesses.